I thought investing needed big money. Turned out that one small win changed everything. When I started with a tiny SIP, kind of people laughed at it. Like 500 से क्या होगा? But let me tell you how this small win changed my entire investing trajectory. Friends, welcome to Prosperity Circle. Here we build wealth by thinking better and not chasing harder. So today I'm going to tell you what an identity shift can do to you. So in my journey, when I started investing, this is a small win. It's not a jackpot, not a multi-bagger, but a very small win. The kind of win that makes you go, wait, investing is not magic. It's a machine. And this was the realization that I had. So friends, picture अभी start हो रहा है. Your money story does not change in one scene. It changes when you stay in the mood. Before that small win, I was like most people. I don't know enough. I don't have enough money. What if I lose? I'll and the classic I'll start next month. Next month is better. Next month is my birthday month. Next month is the month when I got my first job. I'll start next month. And during this period, I used to watch videos endlessly, save, post, feel productive, reading about investing without actually investing. I was doing research the way people do with gym membership, paying emotionally but not showing up physically. The small decision that changed everything was like one day I made a tiny decision that I will be starting my SIP. Not because I was confident, but because I was tired of waiting. It was small enough that did not scare me, real enough that it mattered. And this is a key to small action. Because what happens when you do small actions, they are easy to repeat compared to big actions where it's easy to panic about. Small action helps to build momentum. Big actions are hard to sustain. Small action creates confidence, and with big actions, it breeds hesitation. Do not want to continue. And that's when I realized that small actions are easy to repeat and big actions are easy to panic about. So I started this small investing decision, and this small win moment really changed my outlook. With this 500 invested regularly, I did not open my app for a couple of weeks. And after a few months, I realized when I opened my app, I saw it was green. There was profit, not huge profit, but a real profit. And that moment did something no finance book could ever do. It improved three things. It proved three things. Consistency creates result. Time actually help. And I can do this. It was like seeing the fun abs line after 2 weeks and suddenly believing fitness is possible. That tiny win created belief, and the belief created momentum. The real reason why the small win matters most is money growth is not only math, it's identity. Before the win, my identity was I should invest. But after the win, it became I am an investor. That one identity shift changed everything. I stopped waiting for perfect time. I became calmer in depth. I focused on progress. I stopped chasing tips. And small win automatically became an identity upgrade. So let me tell you five habit upgrades that I implemented that helped me experience this small win. So upgrade one, automation on salary day. I stopped relying on Mood. Auto SIP on salary day. No thinking, nothing, automate it. And I removed Mood from all my investing decisions. With this, it became like I was not dependent on my willpower, because depending on willpower is like having a 2% battery and could ruin everything. Second decision that I made was SIP promotion rule. Every salary hike, I increase my SIP by 5 to 10%. Lifestyle upgrade later, but I will upgrade my SIP with each promotion. Upgrade 3, stop daily checking. Daily checking makes you emotional. Monthly review makes you strategic. So I set a monthly money date, a 15 minutes money date to be done on a monthly basis to see how my investments are moving. And if you would like to know how to optimize this 15 minutes, I have created a separate video on how to evaluate your portfolio in 15 minutes. To check out that video. Upgrade 4, emergency fund separate. Emergency fund will be built separately and not through forced selling. Dip a normal part of life. Don't make those dips become dangerous for you. The way market works is market dip should not feel dangerous for you. So have a separate emergency fund. Upgrade 5, have a separate core explore structure. Core should be 80 to 90% of your portfolio. It could be boring, diversified investment. Explore could be 10 to 20% where you want to experiment if you want, so that your curiosity does not destroy your compounding. Stay grounded, stay to the core investing idea so that your future is safe and secure and you don't panic when you need financial support. The core is like the roti sabji and explore is a desert. You cannot live on desert every day. So here's how you can create your own small win. The 5-step plan for you to start building your small win plan. First, start with an amount you don't panic about. It could be 500, it could be 2,000, it could be 50,000, it could be even 1 lakh. If that amount does not scare you, start with that amount. Automate it on a salary day. Commit it for 6 months without drama. Don't keep changing funds and track consistently, not on a daily basis. Your first win is not just for profit. Your first win is for the proof that this plan is working for you. At the same time, I would really urge all of you to please don't make this common mistake that prevents a majority of people from experiencing that first win, because I want you all to experience this small win. Avoid starting too big and then quitting. Avoid stopping SIP in the first step. Avoid switching funds every month. Avoid chasing trend. Instead, invest for a consistency. Avoid investing money that you would need after few days or few months, because all of these mistakes really makes it very difficult for anyone to experience the small win. So I would say, picture abhi baki hai mere dost, that small win will not make you rich on an immediate basis. It can make you consistent, and that consistency is the most important for everything to make everything else possible. So start small, get your win first, and let it change your identity. If you know anyone who is struggling to start, share this video with them and let me know in comment section below. What are your key learnings from this video? If there are any topic that you are struggling with and you want me to help you, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make that video for and guide each one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back soon with new content.